Okay, hello everyone. For this video, I will be showing another discussion which is all about number system conversion. So this will be our next topic since I've already sent to you the first discussion that I have made. I think that is all about number system. What is number system? What are the scope of number system? And what are the most commonly used number systems. So if you were able to watch the video that I have sent to you in our FB group, so maybe you will know what are those things that I've mentioned. Okay, so today we will have another discussion, which is we will already involving conversions and calculations for this topic. So you don't have to worry because it's very basic, it's very easy, and parang ano, the calculation is for elementary rapport because hindi siya sa hindi siya kayo. So, kung nakakalit naman mo, so it's not difficult for you to understand the process or the steps in um, numbers. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so kung ang atong unahon karong discuss is so one conversion in one video na lang. So, para dili kayo ma-confuse, di kayo malibog sa kanang kung daghanan mo na ko og like for example 5 conversions o sa video basid maglibog na mo. So kung plano is ako na siya one conversion in one video kay so kay actually kung ano yun siya tanan 12 conversions tanan sa number system. So magsugod lang ta sa number 1 pinakauna conversion which is binary to decimal number system. So atong buhaton karon magsugod ta ana. So para naman ko sa kato focus karon. Okay, pwede mo ito. So I have here, so let's start. I have here my whiteboard. Okay. So gagamit ko og graphics tablet na daw eh. So graphics tablet na eh with a pen. Kaya kung ano ko maglisod ko og mouse ako gamiton o kanang sa laptop na touchpad. So I'd rather use this graphics tablet for convenience and for na ko ma-pressure. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's say for example, so by the way, our discussion is okay, binary. So if paminaw ang good mo, dili siya lisod because it's it's very basic, guys. Okay. Okay, so let's have the first value. Okay, so let's say for example we have here 1 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, so many siya yung mga binary value. So it should have a radix or a base of 2 data. And we all know that decimal number system has a system radix or a base of 10. So dapat siya data. Okay? So karon, saan man siya? So we already have the given. So we already have the value of the binary and we are going to convert it to decimal number system. So what's the first step? So actually guys, there are many ways on how to convert binary to decimal number system, but I chose to use this easy and a quick process, a quick step para kuan lang di lang kayo mo ma-pressure kasi di mo makipog sa iyahang kuan process. Kaya kung ato man ko sa complicated, mas maglibog na nun. So I'd rather use the easiest way to convert binary to decimal number system or any other conversions nga atong na-discuss. Katulad yung katulad kung mga sayon na po nga steps kay para dili kay komplikado sa inyong mga part. Okay, so let's start. So how are you gonna convert this one? So let's change the pen. Let's change it to black. Okay, so muna siya first value nato no kani siya. First value nato ni siya. So your first value is 2 to the power of 0. Okay, so mao dyan na siya. Kaya dyan na siya mag-start. Muna siya value sa mga una nga digit. Your second digit kani siya, it has a value of 2 to the power of 1. Okay? Third digit, you have the value of 2 to the power of 2. Fourth digit, honey, you have the value of 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 4. And the last digit, you have the value of 2 to the power of 5. Okay, so paano mo na? Okay na siya. So, let's now calculate or multiply. So, ay mo i-multiply kani number 2. So, kani siya i-multiply sa kaning 1. Dito sa lalong. So, 2 times, so ano na siya? 2 times 1 is 2. Copy the exponent, 2 to the power of 5. Plus, so by the way guys, if na is 0 gani, or the digit is 0, so pwede na ito na siya i-disregard. Okay? So, pwede na ito na siya i-cancel. Pwede na ito na siya appeal because in mathematical kuan, sabi tawag ka na, basta in mathematics, any number that is multiplied by 0 is 0. Okay, so there's no need to include them in the calculation. Okay, next is, okay, change the black. So, kanina po, 2 times 1, 2. To the power of 2. Kanina po, 2 times 1, 2. To the power of 1. Plus, kanina po, 2. And take note guys, any number na exponent is 0 is 1 na gina siya. Okay, so makabalo rin naman. So 0. Kapiro sa ito 0 ha. Okay. So let's have the answer. Okay, 2 to the power of 5. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So ang 2 ikalimaon siya pag multiply. So 2 times 2, 4. 4, 2. 4 times 4, 16. Times 2, we have 32. Okay, so 2 to the power of 5 is 32. Plus 2 times 2, 4. Plus 2 to the power of 1 is 2. Okay guys, any number that has an exponent of 0 is equivalent to 1. So bisan pag ana yang value, 1 million to the power of 0. So any number, bisag million pa na siya or billion pa na siya, basta yung exponent is 1, equivalent to siya of 1. Okay? Let's take note of that. Okay, so let's add. So we will be using our calculator. Okay, so we have 32 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. The answer is 39. Okay, so minimize ito na yun. So the answer is 39. So this is now your decimal equivalent. Okay, so you already have the answer. So the equivalent of 100111 is 39. Okay, okay, let's have another example. So to erase all canvas. Okay, let's say for example, we have the value of data. Okay, wala ko naka-pen. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Binary base niya is 2. Decimal is 10. Okay, so let's try. Okay, let's change this to rainbow color. So this is 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4, and 2 to the power of 5. Okay, so let's now multiply. Let's use color black instead. Okay, we have multiply 2 to the 2 by 1. So 2 times 1 is, okay, let's erase this one. Sorry. Okay, so 2 times 1 is 2 to the power of 5 plus, kanina po, 2 times 1 is 2 to the power of 4. Kanina po, 2 times 1 is 2 to the power of 3. Just copy the exponent, guys. 2 times 1, 2 to the power of 2. 0 man yung value, so wala na siya. Ay, sorry. 0 man yung value, so wala na. Okay, let's move to the last digit. This one, 2 times 1, 2 to the power of 0. Okay, again, pila ka nito equivalent to 2 to the power of 5? It's 32. Okay, so 32. So you multiply 2 by how many times? 5 times. Okay, this one, 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16. Next, kanina po, 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. So 8. Kanina po, 2 times 2, 4. Kanina po, so any exponent, any number that has an exponent of 0 is equivalent to 1. Okay, let's use our calculator. Okay, we have 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. So the answer is 61. Right, minimize. So now we already have the value of decimal. Okay, so ang equivalent sa 1,1,1,1,0,1 is 61. Okay, nasabtan. How about kung na-share radix point? What if yung value pa ana 100.01 o 1.100 ana? So, aman siya pag-solve. So, let's have another example. So, ano siya whole number binary number system. So, let's try fractional. Okay, we have let's say for example 1. Okay. Yeah. 1, 1, 1. Point na siya, i-emphasize ang point. 0.10. So, base of 2, decimal has a base of 10. Okay, so, sama niya siya, dirita magsugod ha. So, ako i-emphasize ni, dirita magsugod. Dirita magsugod, kani nga value sa diri. Paulahiran ni siya. Okay, so, kani siya is 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, and 2 to the power of 2. Okay, so pila naman ni? Equals 2 times 1 is 2 to the power of 2 plus, kanina po, 2 times 1, 2 to the power of 1. 2 times 1 is 2 to the power of 0. So 2 times 2, 4. 2 to the power of 1 is 2. 1. So 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1 is 7. So muna siya value. Ang 7, kani siya nga 7, value ni siya ni. Okay? How about kaning fractional? Okay. So dire 1, 0. Tag point 0. Okay. So sa fractional na ni siya, dire na ni siya nga part kaning 1, 0. So imong buhaton, di ba ang ga-start ka dire og butang og value 2 to the power of 0 dire nga side. So if this is your value, 1, 1, erase. Let's have an eraser. Okay. We should erase. Back there. Okay. So let's say for example, kani siya nga value. Ayan siya. 1, 1, 1. So dito nag-start taong 2 to the 0. Wala taga-start dito 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1. Wala, di ba? So kapaana ta. The direction is from right to left. So there is opposite. Okay, so paana ta dire. From left to right. Okay? So dito mag-start instead nga dire. Okay, so ang less than 0 is negative 1, di ba? So 2 to the negative 1, 2 to negative 2. So kung napag-sumpay dire, 2 to negative 3. Isumpay, 2 to negative 4. Okay? So, pila man ang equivalent sa, so ato na siya na, 2 times 1. Multiply sa nato, to the power of negative 1 plus 0 naman ni siya, so disregard that 1. So ato i-erase na lang ni. So, yung value is 2 to the power of negative na lang. Pila may equivalent sa 2 to the negative 1. So, kaniha mga ko sample, 2 to negative 1. 2 to negative 2, 2 to negative 3, 2 to negative 4. So, tama tag 2 to negative 5. Okay? So, pila equivalent sa 2 to negative 1? 2 times 2 to the power of 1 is 2. Fraction man, so 1 half. Okay? 2 to the power of 2 is 4, diba? So, 1/4. 2 to the power of 3, 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8 is 8, so 1/8. 2 to the power of 4, 2 times 2, 4, so dire, 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16, so 1 over 16. Kani siya is 1 over 32. So, pwede naman na siya i-decimal. I-decimal pa naman siya, pwede ka mag-libog fraction. Samot na kung mayon na dito nga 1 half plus 1/4 plus 1. Mas mayon, pa naman siya mag-decimal. So, 1 half is equivalent to 0.5, di ba? 1/4 is equivalent to 0.25. So, para makuan siya, ma-convert into decimal, pwede na naman siya i-divide o, so kaning 1, i-divide mo siya sa 8, so 1 divided by 8, so equivalent niya is 0.125. Ang 1, i-divide mo 16, so 0. So muna siya i-kuan ha, pwede nyo na siya i-screenshot or i-picture from sa balaro mo mukuan, kaya po. 1 divided by 32, so equivalent niya is 0.03125, and so on and so forth. Okay? So, pila naman equivalent nito to negative 1? So, 0.5. Okay, so 0.5. So, muna siya equivalent niya kaning 0.10. So, kaya mo is i-add si 7.5, 7 plus 0.5. So, answer is 7.5. Meaning, ang equivalent di ay sa 111.10 is 7.5. So, that's your equivalent in decimal number system. Okay, nasabtan? Or another example na po. Last example, okay? Last example. So, for example, 0, okay. Let's use color blue pen. 1, 0, 1, 0.1110. So, this is base of 2, decimal sa base of 10. So, atong unahon ni siya. Okay. So, let's change to black. So, this is 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, and 2 to the power of 3. So, disregard ang 0, disregard ang 0. So, ang habilin is 2 times 1, 2 to the power of 3, 2 times 1, 2 to the power of 1, 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So, nito equivalent sa 1010. Okay? How about this one? So, 0.1110. So, this is 2 to the power. So, dito mag-start. So, mag-start sa left. Okay. Okay, 2 to the power of negative 1, 2 to the power of negative 2, 2 to the power of negative 3, and 2 to the power of negative 4. Okay? So, negative na siya. Negative sign, negative sign. Okay, next. 2 times 1. So, 2. Okay, erase, erase, erase. Okay, so 2 to the power of negative 1 plus 2 times 1, 2 to the power of negative 2 plus 2 to the power of negative 3. So, kanya siya x na siya kay 0 yung value. Okay, pila ang equivalent sa 2 to negative 1 gani? It's 1 half. Plus 2 to negative 2, 1. Plus 1, 8. So, alangan po, so, nauban nga maglisod o addition sa pag-sum up sa fractions. So, pwede ang 1 half is equivalent to 0.5. Ang 1/4 is equivalent to 0.25. Ang 1/8 is equivalent to 0.025. Sakto ba? Let me check. So, 1 over 8. 125 kay. Okay, so, change this one. So, kanin siya is 1. Okay? So, 1 divided by 2, 0.5. 1 divided by 4, 0.5. 1 divided by 8, so, siya value. Okay, so let's add. So, i-add nato ang kani. So, pila naman ni. So, let's use our calculator para po magamit itong calculator. Okay, sorry. Nada ko siya. Minimize. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so 0.5 plus 0.25 plus 0.125 equals, okay, 0.87, 0.75. So, muna siya ay value ni mo. So, ito i-add na. 10 plus 0.875 equals 10.875. So, you already have the value of the binary decimal. So, this is now your answer. So, equivalent sa 1010.1110 is 10.875 or 875. So, let's have done. Okay, so I think I'm done. I'm done with this discussion and binary to decimal conversion. I've already provided to you the at least two examples of whole number siya, wala siya same time, I've already provided to you the example of binary and siya fractions. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. So next video will be vice versa. So we are done with binary to decimal. So next video will be decimal to binary. Okay? So kanina po si 10.75 mo na po na ito ang 10.875 mo na po na ito siya convert into binary. Sakto ba dyan? Ang iyang binary equivalent. Okay? I hope that you've learned something from this video. And thank you so much for watching. And if you have comments or if you have something to say with this video, or if namin mga questions, especially to my students, please comment down below, or you may contact me through Messenger or through call or through SMS for more kuan pa jud elaboration sa discussion basig na pa jud wala pa kayo kasabot. So, good thing, pwede na pong contact na ako anytime. Okay? Thank you so much, guys. And that's it for this discussion. And I will see you in my next video. Okay, thank you so much, and God bless everyone. Keep safe.